So, hi everyone, hi students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic that is nothing but mirrors. So, mirrors are classified into two types. So, first one is plane mirror, other one is spherical mirror. To understand the plane mirror, so we need to consider here plane, and to understand the spherical mirror we need to consider sphere here. So very important here. So so let us discuss about the plane mirror. So to understand the plane mirror we have to consider a plane, and this is quoted side. This side is called what? This is quoted side, and the other side is called unquoted side. Unquoted side is also called reflecting side. What we call reflecting side. Unquoted side is also called what? Unquoted side is also called reflecting side. Means this side is also called what? Reflecting side. And quoted side is also called polished surface or polished side, we can say. So this is overall about plane mirror. Plane mirror having what? Quoted side and unquoted side. Unquoted side is also called what? Reflecting side, and quoted side is also called what? Polished surface. Okay, so let us discuss about the spherical mirror, a very important mirror we are going to discuss. So to understand this, we need to take a sphere. Okay, so let us take two regions here, 2 points. We have selected two regions here. So it becomes what? If you observe, this is a curved surface. If I take like this becomes also curved surface. So if I take in between two regions, it becomes what? Curved surface. Curved surface. Curved surface. Curved surface means we can draw a number of curved surface, and the collection of, and we can say the collection of all the curved surface forms what? A sphere. Means sphere is nothing but what? The collection of curved surface. So let us take two curved surfaces here. Let us take this is a curved surface. This is a curved surface, and let us take this is another curved surface. So this is another curved surface. So quoted side, this is quoted side, this is another quoted side. So this side is called what? Quoted side, and this side is called reflecting side. And this, if you observe, this is unquoted side, means this is reflecting side. And in this, you can call what? Lines means what? Quoted side. So here you need to understand here. If I take this is a curved surface, inside means this is inward, what we call inward, and bulged surface. What is this? Is your bulged surface. ఉబ్బెత్తుగా ఉంటది. So this is a bulged surface. You can call outward or outside. Outward, outside, inward, inside. This is inward and this is outward. So if you observe here, inward having what? Reflecting side, and outward, this is what? Outward, and this is inward. In the inward, which is present? Reflecting side is present, and at the outward, quoted side is present. So this mirror is called what? Concave mirror. What we call concave mirror, and this mirror is called what? Convex mirror. So this is our convex mirror. Reflecting side is also called what? Uncoated side, and coated side is also called what? Polished surface or polished side. So here spherical mirrors are classified into how many types? Two types. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. It is very important and it is very easy to understand. Concave mirror having reflecting side inward or outward? Inward. Reflecting side. This is the reflecting side. So outward. Concave mirror having outward what? Coated side. Convex mirror having reflecting side outward or inward? Outward. In the case of convex mirror, reflecting side is outward and coated side is inward. Coated side is inward. To understand this, we need to consider a spoon. This is a spoon to understand the concave and convex difference. So let us take, this is the outward and this is inward. This surface is called what? Inward, and this is outward. Bulged surface. This is the bulged surface. Bulged surface means what? Outward. ఏదైతే ఉబ్బెత్తుగా ఉందో దీన్ని అవుట్వర్డ్ అంటాము, దీన్నేమో ఇన్వర్డ్ అని అంటాం. ఇన్వర్డ్, outward. So in the case of concave mirror, reflecting side is outward or inward? Reflecting side is inward, and this is the coated side. This is the coated side for the concave mirror. At the bulged surface, coated is there, and inward reflecting side is there. So this is the concave mirror. So in the case of convex mirror, if you take, this is the inward, inward is coated side, this is the coated side, and bulged surface is uncoated side or reflecting side. This is the in the case of convex mirror. So to understand the inward or outward, so we have taken with the help of spoon, we can understand the inward outward. This is the inward and this is the outward area. This is the bulged surface and this is your inward and this is your outward. Okay, so we will get some clarity with the help of spoon. So how many types of spherical mirrors are there? Two types of spherical mirrors are there. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. And concave mirror having reflecting side is inward and coated side is outward. In the case of convex mirror, reflecting side is outward and coated side is inward. This is your convex mirror, this is your concave mirror, and this is our overall about the spherical mirror. So let us discuss about the definition of concave mirror and convex mirror. So first of all, we'll discuss what is concave mirror. So how can we define the concave mirror? So concave mirror is defined as the spherical mirror in which reflecting side or surface, we can say reflecting side is inward or outward? Inward. Word is called what? It's called concave mirror. This is the definition for what? Concave mirror. So rough diagram. This is our coated side and this is our uncoated side. Uncoated side is inward, so this is reflecting side, and this is our coated side. So always remember coated side. So coated side is generally, if you observe, this is outward and here this is our inward. So concave mirror is nothing but the spherical mirror. The spherical mirror in which reflecting side is inward. Reflecting side inward is called what? Concave mirror. అంటే రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సైడ్ అనేది ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉందా అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉందా? ఇన్వర్డ్. This is inward, this is the inward area and this is our outward. Okay, so this is the concave mirror definition. So let us discuss about the definition of convex mirror. So what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is nothing but the spherical mirror in which in which in which so let us discuss here. Quoted side is inward or outward, or else you will take reflecting side or quoted side in the case of definition. So let us take in this case in which quoted side quoted side is inward. Quoted side is inward, then we can call convex mirror. We can call what? Convex mirror. So concave mirror is there, convex mirror is there. So concave mirror is a spherical mirror in which reflecting side inward is called what? Concave mirror. And what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is nothing but the spherical mirror in which quoted side is inward is called what? Convex mirror. So this is a rough diagram. So let us discuss the rough diagram for convex mirror. Quoted side is inward. Quoted side, this is inward. Quoted side. And this is reflecting side. So here you need to remember that reflecting side is outward or inward? Outward. Outward is generally here bulged surface. Outward, and here inward. Outward, inward. Okay. So always remember outward is always bulged surface. Inward, if you observe, this is the inward, inside. Okay. So you need to remember the spherical mirror in which quoted side is inward. Quoted side అనేది ఎలా ఉంది కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ కి అంటే ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉందా అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉందా? కోటెడ్ సైడ్ ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ అంటాం. అదే కోటెడ్ సైడ్ అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉంటే అవుట్ సైడ్ కోటెడ్ సైడ్ అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉంటే కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అవుతుంది. అదే కోటెడ్ సైడ్ ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉంటేనేమో కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ అవుతుంది. అదే రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సైడ్ ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉంటే అది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అంటాం. రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సైడ్ అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉంటే అంటే ఏమంటాం? సో వీ కెన్ కాల్ వాట్? కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్. ఓకే. సో హియర్ we need to remember how many types of spherical mirrors are there. So generally spherical mirrors are generally two types. One is concave mirror, another one is convex mirror. So why we are calling why we are saying concave mirror and convex mirror are spherical mirrors means here. So if I take this is a concave mirror. Which mirror this is? Concave mirror, because quoted side is outward or inward. This is a lining. Lining means you need to remember these lines generally indicates what? Quoted side. దీన్ని ఏమంటాం మనము? కోటెడ్ సైడ్ అంటాం. కోటెడ్ సైడ్ అవుట్వర్డ్ ఉందా ఇన్వర్డ్ ఉందా? బల్జ్డ్ ఉందా? This is the bulged surface. So on the bulged surface we have coated, means this is a coated side, and this coated side is also called what? Polished surface. If the coated side is outward, then we can call what? This is a concave mirror. We know very well. You need to remember a very important. So this is the identifier. How can we identify? There is only inward and outward is there. If reflecting side is inward, then we can call what? Which mirror this? That is a concave mirror. And coated side is outward, then we call what? Concave mirror. So why we are saying this is a spherical mirror means if we extend this surface of concave mirror, we will get what? Sphere. So concave mirror forms a sphere, convex mirror also forms a sphere. So hence we can say concave mirror and convex mirror are the type of spherical mirror. Means concave mirror is also spherical mirror and convex mirror is also spherical mirror. You need to remember how can we define the concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror is nothing but the spherical mirror in which reflecting side inward is called what? Concave mirror. Or else we can say the spherical mirror in which how can we define So the spherical mirror in which here we have written reflecting side. Or else you can write the spherical mirror in which quoted side is outward or inward. Quoted side is outward. So quoted side is outward. Then we can call what? Concave mirror. Means here how many definitions, how many ways to write the definition of concave mirror? Two ways here. If you take reflecting side inward, then you can define the concave mirror. If you take quoted side outward, you can also define the concave mirror. So by this, we have completed the types of mirrors and definitions of the mirrors. You need to remember mirrors are generally two types. One is plane mirror, another one is spherical mirror. So spherical mirror further classified into how many types? Two types. One is concave mirror and another one is convex mirror. So concave mirror, if you extend the concave mirror, you will get sphere. It means concave mirror is also spherical mirror, and if you extend the convex mirror, you will get what? You will get a sphere. Means convex mirror is also spherical mirror. Means you need to remember, only you need to remember inward and outward. So this is the overall about the mirror topic. So further we will discuss in next video. So thank you.